This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about iSteady M7 from Hohem. It's a 3-axis gimbal with a 360 full rotation and a subject line in all the apps. If you want to create a buttery smooth, less shaky and professional videos, then the iSteady M7 is the right choice for you. If you are still not convinced, no worries. I will give you 9 reasons why iSteady M7 is the best choice for you. So let's jump into it. The first feature which I found is very useful for you is the axis locks on each arms. It has safety locks to secure the AI tracker and gimbal while in use, and the axis locks allow you to secure all 3 motors quickly. The second feature is fascinating, a new feature added by Hohem that ensure your smartphone is properly balanced. The built-in extension pole, which offers amazing shot experience from the various angles, is my third choice. Creative shooting at different angle is supported by the sturdy built-in extension pole. It enables you to effortlessly capture aerial shoots or unique perspectives. The iSteady M7 comes with a detachable 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen remote, which is ideal for solo filmmakers. The iSteady M7 comes with a detachable touchscreen remote that allows for convenient and intuitive control as well as a real-time preview. It also allows you to select track a target from up to 10 meters away. iSteady M7 with its orthogonal 3-axis design offers a 360-degree of infinite rotation. This gives you more control over your camera movements while shooting. With the new infinite pan axis, the iSteady M7 allows you to set your camera down on a tripod and move around freely. Hohem iSteady M7 buying price is $236.72 and I'm sharing a 12% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. iSteady M7 features an AI tracker that seamlessly integrated with the native camera app and other apps. Switch on the AI tracker from the fill light and enjoy the magic. Use the OK gesture for follow mode. The front camera will follow you and track your every movement smoothly. To stop the AI tracker, use the full palm of your hand and there you go. The next advantage of the fill light is that you can switch off the AI tracker and enable the gesture mode from the Hohem Joy app. Use the V's gesture to start recording and again use the V's gesture to stop the recording. Now use photo mode to capture photos using the V's gesture and enjoy the experience. A very powerful detachable AI tracker unit for the iSteady M6 and now even better for the M7. The AI unit is magnetic and detachable. However, they have now added clips to make it even more secure. The unit can face either way, allowing you to use it with your smartphone front or back cameras. Next, we have a button that switches between regular mode and ultra wide angle mode. Hohem Joy app allow you to edit and create videos and a variety of templates in movement mode, helping you effortlessly capture beautiful memories. Got a feeling in my shoulder. 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 Press the button from the left slider to switch on the fill light, and there you go. You can control the intensity of the fill light from the slider. Press one time the slider button. By this, you can change the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K from the slider, as you can see in this video. Triple tap the slider button and you can switch the color temperature light to RGB color light. From the slider, you can change the colors of the fill light. And again, triple tap to change the color temperature mode. Also, you can control the fill light features from the touch control remote and even switch them on and off, changing color temperatures, RGB color mode and intensity levels. Hohem iSteady M7 supports 95% of smartphones including foldable phones and a safety lock to secure AI tracker. Whether you are a casual creator or a filmmaker, iSteady M7 packs everything you need for smartphone videography. Which feature is most interesting for you? Let me know in the comment section. Hohem iSteady M7 buying price is $236.72 and I'm sharing a 12% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in DJI Mini 3 Pro videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.